Hi everyone, it's me Gian. It's early in the morning. Not really early, but it's like 10 o'clock and I received a package today. These are essential oils that I have ordered online. I can't believe it actually amounted to 1,700 pesos. So this is actually a crazy buy. um yeah, let's open it and see what it looks like. What's really nice is it has a thick bubble wrap and it's labeled fragile, so hopefully none of the bottles broke. But I am so excited to try the essential oils today. Take a look. This is my humidifier set. I chose the smallest because I will be traveling with it to South Sudan, so I need someone which is lightweight. Yeah, this is it. 120 ml. So 120 ml bottle, and I have, whoa, this many essential oils. So we're gonna try it today. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 13 essential oils, and this one. Looks like it has been opened already because the seal is dirty. Instructions in Chinese, which I don't really understand. We've got the cable. Looks like it's a Type-C cable. And this is the humidifier. I think that's all for this pack. Yay! What does it say? Oh, sign says do not tilt or else water will spill. Let's peel this off. Oh, this has a scratch already. Here. It has a tiny fine scratch there. And everything is in Chinese. I don't understand Chinese. How do we open this? Okay. So how do we use this? Where do I put the oil and water? I don't know what to do with it. We'll have to Google how to use this. And I'll be back. Bye. So I realized na baliktad pala ang pagkaka-place ko kanina. I thought it was supposed to go like this. Pero baliktad pala. Sorry, I'm waray-waray. Hindi po ako Tagalog. Supposed to be like this. So when you open it up, we'll have this part and then this part, which we are going to fill with water. So I've got a little bit of water here. And according to the instruction dito, it says, take a proper amount of this product and drop it into the aromatherapy machine, humidifier, or the object that needs to add fragrance. The fragrance can be increased or decreased according to personal preference. So maybe 1 to 2 drops of this thing. I have lemon, sweet orange, cherry blossoms, mint, green bamboo, vanilla, green tea, jasmine, sandalwood, ugali. I don't know what ugali is. And this one's ocean, lily, and rose. Let's try ocean because I don't know what the ocean smells like. Do you? It smells like salt, right? Salty, something like that. So we'll see. And check, like we'll test out this fragrance. This is from Shuabefen. It's made in China. This small bottle, and we'll put 2 drops. Oh, there's no dropper, so we'll do it this way. Is there a dropper? Oh, hindi pala siya dropper. It's not a dropper, it's just a funnel. So what we're gonna do is, oops, there you go. That's like 3 drops of this. We'll cover it. This. Then hook on the cord. And we will look for electricity. Hey guys, so I'm gonna set up the humidifier here, and you've probably seen this charger from my haul video, which the link I'm gonna be putting down below. So my charger has 4 travel adapter, has 4 ports for USB, and we're gonna put it here and we will test this out. So there's a button here. I'm gonna try to press this one. Oh, there it goes. Let's do another press, check what will happen. Change in color. Another one. So every time you press, there's a different color, or it changes color, and then we will try to make a long press and see what happens. Okay, it died down. I guess that's the power button then as well. Let's do it again. I can't smell anything for now, but it smells like a man. Oh, I don't think the ocean smells like this, but it smells like it's a manly scent. I don't like it really. This is good for men. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for visiting my channel, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press on that bell button so you could always see any updates from me. Thank you for your support, and have a wonderful, prosperous new year.